Overcoming challenges. Understanding, you'll get over it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, you'll get over it. This expression is widely used in conversations, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily English communication? Let's explore this phrase together, ensuring you can confidently understand and apply it in various contexts. You'll get over it is a phrase that implies someone will recover from a problem, disappointment, or emotional hurt after some time. It suggests that although something might seem difficult or upsetting now, it will become easier to handle in the future. This phrase is often used to offer comfort or reassurance to someone going through a tough time. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. After a breakup, when someone is sad about ending a relationship, a friend might say, "I know you're hurting now, but you'll get over it." Time heals all wounds. Following a job loss, if a person loses their job, a supportive family member could comment, "It's a tough situation, but you'll get over it. You're skilled, and you'll find another job soon." Dealing with failure. After failing an exam, a teacher might encourage a student by saying, "This isn't the end. You'll get over it and do better next time." These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various situations involving emotional distress or challenges, offering a hopeful outlook toward the future. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. "You'll get over it" is best used with people you know well and in situations where it's clear that time will indeed help the person move past their issue. However, be cautious using this phrase in very serious or sensitive situations, as it might seem dismissive or unsympathetic. Always consider the person's feelings and the context before using it. Understanding and using the phrase, "You'll get over it," can be a powerful way to offer support and comfort to someone facing challenges. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and appropriate usage for you. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying empathy, support, and understanding. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay motivated and keep learning.